Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest car jump starter power bank portable car battery charger. Item number 1. Basis car jump starter starting device battery power bank 800A jump starter auto buster emergency booster car charger jump start. Brand name, Basis battery capacity, mAh, 8,00 10,00 peak voltage, 800A. Conversion rate, 85% 90% number of built-in batteries. For certification of external tests, RoHS certification of external tests, certification of external tests, Sorigin, CN, Origin certification, RoHS certification, 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 voltage, 12V item weight, 770G special features, USB special features, lighting special features, warning lights special features, SOS lighting fast charge, lack certificate, certificate, capacity, 8000 mAh, 3.7 volts. 29.6 Wh rated output capacity, 4900 mAh startup current, 400 input, 5 volts, 2.1A, max USB output, 5 volts, 2.4A, max suitable model, vehicles with displacement of less than 4 liters or less than 2.5 Model 1, start device for car, charging start device, car. Item number 2, GFly car jump starter power bank portable car battery booster charger 12 volts starting device petrol diesel car starter buster, high power car jump starter to go start 12 volts gasoline, up to 5.0 liters, and diesel car, up to 3.0 liters, in seconds when car battery dead. 4 USB portable power bank, charging portable electronic devices such as cell phones, tablets, handheld gaming system, digital cameras, camcorders, Bluetooth headsets, handheld GPS devices and other 5 volts DC electronic devices, powerful laptop charger, 8 adapters for various types of laptop charging, warning light function. The warning light was performed by red and blue light color, and strobes with different colored lights make it easier for others to see, multifunctional emergency light, flashlight, strobe light, SOS light. If you are outside camping and find yourself in an emergency, you can use the SOS strobe light to attract attention, and you can use it as a flashlight with built-in LED flashlight light function, mini compass and safety hammer and seat belt cutter. Never get lost where you go. The best helper in an emergency, waterproof and temperature protection, easy to run, even in -20-60 degrees Celsius. Best gifts for your father, brothers, husband, friends and yourself. Model number, GGJS19 size, L180W85H40 power weight, 480 grams charging mode, CC, California 12 volts, 15 volts. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products then see the description, click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos subscribe to the channel.